Riding Godfather. Hit the top shot, heavy like an ox bottom. So the eyes looking hella lopsided. Cock riders knocked out they docksiders. Slobber goddesses that hold tiny box sizes. Thick thighs scoop quick as a Mach 5's. I'm a hybrid, half human, half flyness. Not shy, step aside, shots collide where pride is. Buffoons left harpoon, tossed off a hot cliff. My clique full of spitters, specialized promise. Dwelling cellar climates, like a rack of wine is. Bangers get composed till pupils' eyes dilate. Ways magic moving like a wizard wand is. Flotation with the syllables be complex. The contest, look at the comp like a conquest. Rap's best, not the shit you tryna test. This is what it is, this is what it is. Positions covered it, I keep it bubbling. This is what it is, this is what it is. How it go, cooking up the lulliest. Wet J's before the shot clock done so. Post game, sleigh riding a Rapunzel. Hit the blunt slow, ain't tryna punch folk. Rap dudes get pummeled, seeking backup for they frontal. Minus the drums and the mumbles, it's a skill in abundance. The pillars for the cause while they still on that nonsense. I go big, Godzilla gut contents. Chin chubby, go doubly like a Don's is. Close to the venom like a snake charmer arm is. You play the card, I'm waving nothing but katanas. Chop patterns, show you what a paragon is. Spit raps with the power the pharaoh's harness. Poet at large here, haters going saltier. Floss the rap dogs here, fill them up with nausea. POV from eyes of gargoyles bulkier. I drop heavy, need a lift to get it off of you. This is what it is, this is what it is. Positions covered it, I keep it bubbling. This is what it is, this is what it is. How it go, cooking up the lulliest.